Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn on your Windows 11 how to create a desktop shortcut of any website on your PC. So for this guys, just open any web browser on your PC like this. For example, I want to create this Google homepage as a website shortcut in my desktop. So for this guys, first you need to maximize this window like this, and here you can get one lock option icon in the URL box. As you can see, just drag and drop this icon on your desktop. That's it. Now it will create the website shortcut on your desktop, as you can see guys. So from here directly you can easily able to open that particular website. So this is the very easy and very simple method to create any website shortcut on your desktop. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.